you know that in the show WandaVision on Disney Plus, the filmmakers used completely different filmmaking techniques, lighting, cameras, angles to depict each era in each episode? So much so they even had 47 different lenses used across the entire series.
I couldn't make heads or tails of it.
As impressive as that is, to go one step further, they even brought in a live TV audience for the very first episode of WandaVision.
You're like a walking computer.
What? I most certainly am not. I'm a regular carbon-based employee made entirely of organic matter, much like yourself.
This meant that actually the first episode took only 2 days to complete filming. Both Elizabeth Olsen and Paul Bettany stated in interviews afterwards that they were really nervous in the run-up to the live episode. However, they've both stated in interviews since then that this was one of their most cherished memories while filming WandaVision.